Aloe vera has many uses and is employed as a natural ingredient by many skin care and beauty companies. This natural ingredient is utilized to improve the skin's appearance and fight several skin problems. Here are benefits of using aloe vera gel. 1. Soothe sunburn. Aloe vera helps with sunburn through its powerful healing activity at the epithelial level of the skin, a layer of cells that cover the body. It acts as a protective layer on the skin and helps replenish its moisture. Because of its nutritional qualities and antioxidant properties, the skin heals quicker too. Moisturize. Aloe moisturizes the skin without giving it a greasy feel, so a grave accent is perfect for anyone with an oily skin complexion. For women who use mineral-based makeup, aloe vera acts as a moisturizer and is great for the face prior to the application to prevent skin drying. For men, aloe vera gel can be used as an aftershave treatment as its healing properties can treat small cuts caused by shaving. 3. Accelerate wound healing. Aloe is most commonly used as a topical treatment for cuts, burns and other wounds, and with good reason. The review of 4 experimental studies found that aloe vera may reduce the healing time of first or second degree burns by almost 9 days, when compared to the control groups. 4. Fight aging. As it is rich in vitamin C and E and beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin D, aloe may have some anti-aging qualities. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, and its ability to lighten blemishes, also help it take years off your face. Furthermore, aloe vera can be taken in supplement form to fight aging, with some research finding that it increases the body's production of collagen and improves skin elasticity in just 90 days. 5. Reduce acne and infection. Those with acne may want to try aloe vera's gentle cleansing and antimicrobial properties to treat their pimples. This healing gel works on several levels. Its antibacterial, antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties protect the skin from bacteria and other pathogens which lead to infection and inflammation. 6. Lighten blemishes. Because of its abilities to speed up skin cell reproduction, fight inflammation and reduce redness, aloe vera is a great natural treatment for acne scars and stretch marks. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips,